Hydraulic explosions. Let's see how much pressure the bricks can withstand until they explode. White brick. Total 0.10 tonnages. Regular brick. Total 4 tonnages. Silicate. Total 0.5 tonnages. Fire clay. Total 0.4 tonnages. Share this video with your build a friend.